Hi everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at Skylark Dasos project, which is located off Hennur Main Road, Bangalore. So friends, this is the connecting road and this is the view of project site. This project is built across 6.07 acres of land with 80% open space. It offers 1, 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments. This project carries 3 number of towers with 18 floors each and total comprises of 472 numbers of units. And now we'll give you the interior view of a 2 BHK flat of super built up area 1021 square feet. So friends, this is the view of living room with attached balcony. Here you can see the dining hall. And now we are moving towards the balcony area. So this is the balcony. From here you can take the outside view. So this is the view of common washroom. Now here comes the first bedroom of this flat with wooden wardrobe section. As you can see, the room is very spacious and skillfully designed. This is the wardrobe section. And here comes the attached washroom with this room. So now we have entered into the second bedroom. So this is the view of second bedroom. As you can see, the room is beautifully designed. Over there you can see the wardrobe section and the study table. Now we are moving towards the kitchen area, and here comes the modular kitchen. And this is the view of modular kitchen with separate utility area. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visits, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.